What's up everyone, Coach Sasha here. I thought I'd do a short series of videos on the top myths when it comes to nutrition. And today we are talking about the dangers of protein. So the first myth you may have heard is that protein causes bone loss. Now, it's true that when you have a high intake of protein, you end up with extra calcium in your urine. Now, there's been two reasons that suggested that why this might happen, and the first one being when you eat protein, your body uses the calcium from your bones in order to buffer the acid that it creates, and or secondly, with the studies that they actually use to try and prove this, the majority of the protein sources in the diets actually came from dairy products. We all know that dairy products are a fantastic source of calcium. So basically, the more calcium you eat, of course, the more of it, the more calcium is going to end up in your urine. So subsequent studies have actually shown that a high protein intake is protective of your bones. And the reason being is the more protein you eat, the higher absorption rate of calcium from food becomes. So you absorb more calcium and your body basically gets rid of what it doesn't need through your urine. And it's also been shown that a low intake of protein is associated with an increased risk of hip fractures. So protein actually protects your bones, okay? The second myth is that protein causes kidney damage. So they originally believed this because a high protein intake has been associated with a higher waste filtration rate in your kidneys, and this was originally thought to put undue stress on them. But studies have actually shown that even a very high protein intake causes no kidney damage whatsoever, unless of course you have a pre-existing condition. So the top two benefits of protein is number one, it's highly satiating, so it's going to keep you fuller for longer. And number two, it helps to build and maintain muscle. Two awesome benefits, particularly if you're on a fat loss journey. So I hope you found this helpful, and as always, eat well, train hard, and I'll see you in the gym.